We'll guide you through how to create an iCloud account. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you're looking to make an iCloud account. We'll guide you through this step by step. So make sure it's this full guide so you're going to know what you need to do. When you have an iCloud account, you can then access the iCloud services, like be able to go and back up your data, and also you'll be able to go and use Find My iPhone amongst many other great features as well. So iCloud is an Apple account. So with that, you then have access to iMessage, FaceTime, and loads of other great features and services as well. So watch this full guide and let's get started. So what you can do is go and open up your settings. At the top here, you may go and see an account. If you don't see an account and it says Apple account, you can go and tap there. Then what you can do is go and sign in if you have an account, but we're looking to go and create one. So you can press don't have an Apple account. As I said, that is the same thing as an iCloud account. So you can tap there and begin the process. However, if there's already an account there, perhaps trying to make the account for somebody else or using somebody else's device, don't worry. What we need to do is come out of settings and you need to go and open up Safari like so. Then you can go and press search here. And what you need to do is go and type in Apple account. As I said, that is what an iCloud account is also known as. Go and tap there. Then it will go and say about signing into your Apple account on the web or in your device settings. You can scroll down and you can go and press Apple account website. Alternatively, you can type in account.apple.com and then you'll be able to go and get to the iCloud and Apple account page. Go to the top right, as this is going to be about signing in. So you can go to the top right and you can go and press the arrow pointing down. This will open up this menu here and you can go and locate the option for create your Apple account. And you can go and tap there like this. Now what we can do is go and start the process. So as you can see, we'll get access to all Apple services. So to get started here, enter in your first name. So I'll go and type mine in. After you've done that, you'll need to go and enter in your last name. After you've done that, you need to go and choose the country or region. So mine's already correctly set, but you can go and change yours there if needed. Then you can go and enter in your birthday. So we go and scroll down and go and enter mine in now. Now you need to go and enter in an email. So you can go and tap here and you need to go and enter it in, as you need to go and have correspondence there and other things. So make sure it's correct. After you've done that, you need to tap on password. You need to have a password which meets these requirements, at least 8 characters, 1 number, at least 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, and 1 special character. So I'll enter that in now. You need to go and confirm it as well. Next, you need to go and enter in a phone number. Make sure you can always access this, as you need to go and verify it sometimes. Choose if you want to verify it with a text message or phone call. I prefer text message, as I can then actually see it. Sometimes I can go and miss the phone call, etc. Then you can go and choose if you want to have the announcements here. Personally, I won't have either of these. You can though, it's up to you. And what you need to do is go and type the characters in the image to go and prove you're real. When you're ready, you can go and press continue. And what you'll then need to do is go and verify your email, a code will be sent to it, and you need to go and verify your number as well, and a code will be sent to that. Then you'll go and have your iCloud and Apple ID accounts, and what you can do is go and start using it. So you can come onto a device and go and sign in, whether that's in the top of the settings or when you're first setting up your device. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again.